Yes, sir.
How often President Bush has been speaking personally to Tony Blair, and given the fact that 6 months ago they barely knew each other, could you characterize their relationship now?
They've been speaking rather often. I don't have an exact daily account of it, but they speak from time to time. Their relationship began very strong and has stayed very strong. I've been present at many of the meetings they had up at Camp David, at Chequers, and it's very interesting because you have a prime minister who comes from the Labor Party, a president of the United States who comes from the Republican Party, and clearly in this instance their interests and their world outlook have a very strong overlap. The two stand shoulder to shoulder.